Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make 15 bean soup in an instant pot. First, you will need to sort through your bag of 15 bean mix. Discard any small stones or debris you find. While some recipes suggest soaking, for the instant pot, it is often optional. However, a quick soak can reduce cooking time and improve texture. Rinse the beans thoroughly before proceeding to the next step. Next, we will build the foundational flavors for your delicious soup. Begin by sautéing aromatic vegetables like diced onion, carrots, and celery directly in your Instant Pot using the sauté function. Add a few cloves of minced garlic for an extra layer of taste. Once softened, stir in your rinsed beans, along with vegetable or chicken broth and your preferred seasonings. This step ensures a rich and savory base. Now it is time to pressure cook your 15 bean soup to perfection. Secure the lid on your Instant Pot and set the valve to the sealing position. Cook on high pressure for approximately 25 to 30 minutes for unsoaked beans. If you opted for a quick soak, 20 minutes should be sufficient. After cooking, allow for natural pressure release for at least 15 minutes before carefully performing a quick release of any remaining pressure. This ensures tender beans. Finally, let us add the finishing touches to your hearty 15 bean soup. Once the pressure is fully released, open the lid and stir in any additional ingredients you desire, such as diced ham, sausage, or a can of diced tomatoes. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding salt, pepper, or a dash of hot sauce for extra kick. Ladle your warm, comforting soup into bowls and garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.